Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I don't know what's in here, but I think it's... Let me look at the front again. I think that this is in response to my recent post about new knives for review. For anybody who doesn't know, the way that this channel works, how I get my content is actually generous viewers loan me their knives and I review them and then send them back with some stickers and some other MC swag. So the people who participate in that, thank you so much. That's really cool. That list is actually still up as of the time of this upload. The list is still up on my community tab on my channel. So if you'd like to check out some of the knives that I'm looking for, if you're willing to send them, that'd be great. But let's go ahead and, well, first off, of course, thank you so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, there's, of course, a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's go ahead and get into the package here. Very exciting. Oh, do we have a Hinderer? Yeah, we have a Hinderer. Oh boy, wait, there's another thing in here. And we have a Microtech. Holy cow, this is going to be a fun one. Ah, we got a note. Awesome. Here's the etc. because I don't know how I'm doing the thumbnail yet, and sometimes I like to do clickbaity stuff and just show you guys the boxes. Awesome, good deal. Do you have an Instagram? Yes, oh, of course, of course. He's sent stuff in before. Very cool. Instagram at @sharp_marbles. Interesting name. Thank you so much. Give him a follow. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. Let's see the Microtech first. I have not handled what sort of dark wizardry is keeping me from the box. Does it come out like this? Does it? I really don't want to accidentally mess something up here. Excuse me, just doing some adjusting off camera to make sure that I'm not peeling something up that shouldn't be peeled up. There we go. Sorry about that. Boy, that's a lot fatter than I thought it was going to be. So this is the Exocet. Is that how you pronounce that? Here we go. Ready? Ooh, neat. That's interesting. Oh, wow. I'm actually super into that. That's cool. I didn't know that it was, I didn't know that it was so wide and tall, but I mean, it's nice and thin. And so, now, maybe I'm wrong, but is this a Cali legal OTF? Is that the idea with this? I'll be linking this guy down in the description. I know that these are available. These are 204p. This one's a dagger. I think they have a new Tanto. Boy, look at that pocket clip. I would imagine that this also works as a money clip. Yeah, probably. Maybe that was the idea. This is neat. I thought it was a little teeny tiny little skinny thing. It's hard to tell with the pictures, but yeah, the action's nice. Click, 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 click. Very cool. Very, very Microtech-y, right? Those of you who've handled Microtechs, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. We'll put that guy, we'll deploy it and keep it right here, making it look pretty. How about up there? And then, of course, this guy. This is another XM18, but it's the new Tri-Way Bowie. Awesome. I have owned one Bowie in the past for myself, and it was a Generation 4. Actually picked mine up on the secondary market back in 2016, I think. It's been a long time since that. So this is only the second time the Bowie's been released in Tri-Way or Generation 6 for the XM18 3.5 inch. The first one was the Vintage Series, and that means that the Vintage Series one was in 01 Park steel. This is in 20 CV. So this is a Tri-Way pivot system, XM18 3.5 inch standard thickness Bowie in 20 CV. Very popular right now. Holy crap, the first couple of runs of these went so fast. I will link them if I can find them. As far as I know, DLT and I think GP Knives and Blade HQ all got some, but I don't know if they're still available. I'll link them. Hinderer knives in general will be listed down below if you want to check out what else is available if this guy happens to not be. And then also Microtech knives in general if you want to see what all is available through them. But Very cool, very fun unboxing. This was really cool. Thanks again to Sharp Marbles for sending this this stuff. Really, really interesting. I'll, of course, have lots to say. Even though I have reviewed the XM18 into the ground, it's always fun to look at new versions of variants, right? Be sure to follow me on Instagram, guys. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.